Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide the game you're playing on Discord. Whether you're an avid gamer or just someone who plays occasionally while chatting, you might want to keep your gaming activity private. If you'd rather not let others know what you're playing, or that you're gaming at all, this guide is for you. By default, Discord automatically displays your activity status, including the games you play. For example, if you're playing a game, it will appear under your username in your profile. While the small gaming controller icon next to your status can't be removed, you can stop Discord from showing the name of the game you're playing with a quick adjustment. To do this, click on the settings gear icon in the bottom left corner of the Discord app next to your username. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to the activity privacy section. Here, you'll find an option called Share Your Detected Activities with Others. When this feature is turned on, Discord automatically detects the games you play and displays them under your username. For some games with rich presence enabled, it might even share detailed information about what you're doing in-game, such as your level, mission progress, or achievements. If you prefer to keep this information private, simply turn off this toggle. Once disabled, Discord will no longer display your gaming activity to others. It's an easy and effective way to maintain your privacy and control what others see about your activity. And that's it. With this simple adjustment, you can enjoy gaming and chatting without worrying about sharing your gameplay details. Thanks for watching.